Hey there, it's that mama, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on teleport and finding it. One, two, three. Okay, let's say you get a note card that has some addresses in it, like this, and you want to go and find these clothes really quick. Okay, you can open up, copy and paste this, open up your search, copy and paste inside there. Click that, it will have your teleport placard card, and you teleport. Now, this central place will have a teleport lock, so you will only go to the central teleport area, and you can't teleport to individual stores. But because you have that lock on there, you'll have a beacon and a red arrow pointing to the store, and you can use your cameras to go in and find that. If for some reason you land there and you don't have it, then you can you're in the center of the store, you can go like this and get your area search up and search for a word here like Aricia is the name of one of the clothing. Type that in and it will go like that, and find it here, and you can double click. You'll get your beacon and your arrow. You can zoom, so it will use your camera to zoom a little bit closer and you will see them. Or in a store that allows you to teleport to each item, from there in the area search, you can also right click on that and say teleport to. But it's not going to let us. See this store just, but it will always have that arrow and everything, and then you can trace it with the beacon. Now let's say you're going to somewhere where it's just one store. Let's say we're looking for this one. We want to find this store and those clothings. Again, copy paste, and you can take it outside on an outside browser as well. So that looks like this. Say visit this location, go back into Second Life, you'll get your teleport placard card, teleport. And you'll see that you've got your little arrow, and it will have a teleport beacon. And you can either follow the beacon to get to it, or again, you can go like that, put in, let's see if we put in Lina, and see if we can find it. There's the unicorn Lina shorts. That'll show you the beacon. You double click on it, zoom into it, that'll show you exactly where it is. Or let's see if we can teleport to it. And it doesn't allow us because it is locked. A lot of the stores lock their teleport stations, but at least you can get here and go shopping and click your items and buy them once you've got locked on with your camera. To get rid of the arrow and the beacon, you just click the red arrow and it'll go away. You can, once you find it, you can try to double click and go for it, but if they have a lock on your land, it won't take you there. To double click, you have to have that set up in your permissions that a double click teleports you to a place. To use your camera controls and zoom in and out with your mouse and keyboards. And if you find something, you can go Alt and click on it, and then it'll just lock in on it. The Alt click feature will lock in and you can zoom in and out and you won't lose it. All that you've got to go into your advanced tab and have the disabled camera constraints. So you can't have any constraints on your camera. And that's through your advanced tab. But that's it for right now. That's teleport, find it, 1, 2, 3. Thank you for viewing. It's THATMOMMA. Bye-bye.